AI-generated videos are the most popular videos currently in TikTok viral videos. Check out this TikTok account with 1 million followers, making around $984 to $1,547. So in this video, I will show you how to make videos like these. And make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will be showing you how to remove this watermark from your generated videos. So, first thing you need to do is go to the search bar and search for hailuoi.com. Or you don't have to do that. I will put the link in the description below. Here in Hailuoi, you need to use a translator, because the website is a Chinese-based website. Then scroll down and click on the creative button here. After clicking the creative button, it will then direct you here. Here you can see the prompt box. Scrolling down, you can see the featured and mine. These are featured videos that other users generated using this Hailuoi Mini Max AI. We are going to be using this AI to create our viral videos. I will put a free posting challenge calendar to help you in keeping track of your TikTok posts and build your way to making $1,547 per video you post. The link will be in the description below. Now let's create the first footage you watched in the beginning of this video of Tom Cruise saying,
Please subscribe to this channel for more AI updates and ways to make money online.
That's done. Great. Let's move on. After clicking generate, give it at least a minute. Now that our video is done generating, take a look. This is one of the best AIs in creating camera motion and realistic Tom Cruise that I have seen so far. Do well to subscribe because I will be posting more AIs like this. This one, I try creating a young man talking on stage with a white background and logos, which the Mini Max AI did a pretty good job in generating the video. This one is of a spaceship with a cinematic view and a nice camera motion. And this one, I create a man with a pug dog face wearing a subscribe t-shirt. The AI also did well in creating emotion, as you can see this mermaid's facial expression. As you can see, Rusty the Cat TikTok account has only 309.3k followers, which I know you will be saying that's too much, but not with the 301 calendar I made for you guys. Now let's get motivated and build our own TikTok viral videos like Rusty Story AI, but make our own better and more realistic. But first, before we do that, let's check how much Rusty the Cat is making per video, using this free monetization checker website. And also let's check how much AI Cat is making per video. You have made it to the end of this video. Congrats! And here is the free watermark remover I promised you guys. Go to your browser and type in 123apps.com. Here in 123apps.com, check at the top menu bar and hover over Video Tools and check for Remove Logo from Video. Click on it and it will take you to their video editor. Here in the video editor, go and highlight over the watermark and click on Apply to remove the watermark. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and help us grow for more AI tools updates and how to make money online.